Are you accused of a crime? If so, you must defend yourself. You must protect yourself. You must defend your future. You must demand justice. Accused, defend yourself. Hi, I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver criminal justice lawyer. My office is located in the Ferguson Building on West Road in Woodhaven. I've defended folks just like you accused of crime for 28 years. Accused, defend yourself. When you're charged with a crime, there's only one person whose sole job it is to defend you. That person is your lawyer. The police, the prosecutor, and the judge are simply not there to defend you. It's simply not their function. I want to defend you. Accuse, defend yourself. I'll defend you in two ways. First, I'll present any and all legal defenses that you may have. Secondly, I'll let the judge know the many things that you've done correctly in your life, that you are a decent, hardworking, and honorable person who has learned from your mistakes. Again, I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver criminal justice lawyer. I'll defend you. I'll protect you. I'll defend your future. Please call me at 734-775-6656. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a good day.